everyone. Today I am going to discuss about the enactment of criminal laws. The Indian Home Ministry has announced the enactment of three criminal laws and its effect can be seen since 1st July 2023. They are Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita which replaced Indian Penal Code, Bharatiya Sakshi Adhiniyam which replaced Indian Evidence Act and Bharatiya Nagrik Suraksha Sanhita which replaced CRPC, that stands for Code of Criminal Procedure. You would be thinking that why we require such reforms. These reforms are required as this law were designed during the British era to oppress people but not to serve them justice. Let me discuss each law one by one. Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita, which comprises of 358 sections with amendments in 175 sections. One of the notable provisions, section 2, which talks about murder or grievous hurt by five or more than five people based on discriminatory grounds such as caste, creed, gender, punishable by life imprisonment or death. Bharatiya Sakshi Adhiniyam, which comprises 167 sections with amendment in 23 sections and one new provision has been added. Section 57 talks about primary evidence as the original form of document need to be present in the court for inspection. Bharatiya Nagrik Suraksha Sanhita, which comprises 527 sections with 9 new provisions. Section 173 clause 1 talks about filing of zero FIR in any police station irrespective of its jurisdiction. These reforms mark significant steps towards a free and fair criminal justice system addressing contemporary needs and values and while addressing the problems as well as upholding the rights of people and ensuring justice. Thank you.